In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the MailerLite logo from your emails and landing pages. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First, you need to open MailerLite. If you don't already have an account, just head over to their website and sign up. But for those of you who already have an account, once you're on the MailerLite homepage, go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. To find the setting that allows you to remove the MailerLite branding, look for the Account Settings option. This can usually be found in the drop-down menu, typically represented by your profile icon or name in the corner of the page. Just click on that, and it will take you to the Account Settings page. Now that you're on the Account Settings page, take a moment to look around. There's a lot of important information here, but what we need to do next is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This might take a little bit of scrolling, so don't be afraid to take your time. When you reach the bottom, look for the section labeled MailerLite Branding. This is where you'll find the option that we're interested in. As you glance over the page, you should see a toggle switch. This is the MailerLite Branding toggle, and it's what will allow you to hide the MailerLite logo from your newsletters and other content. To proceed, you'll want to find that toggle switch and move it to the off position. A quick tip here. Sometimes it helps to follow the instructions on the screen, as they can vary slightly based on updates or changes to the MailerLite interface, but generally, the toggle should be quite apparent. Once you've turned it off, you can check to make sure the setting has registered correctly by seeing if the toggle has changed color or position. Now don't forget this next step. After switching the toggle off, you'll need to save your changes. There should be a button that says Save Changes. Click on that button. This is crucial because if you skip this step, all the work you've just done will not take effect. So go ahead and hit Save Changes. After you do this, you'll see a confirmation message indicating your settings have been updated. Well done! You've successfully removed the MailerLite logo from your future newsletters. But that's not all. It's also important to note that removing the logo from your emails doesn't just apply to the future. The MailerLite logo will also be removed from all your current landing pages and websites. This means that your branding will be cleaner and more personalized, which can definitely help in maintaining a professional appearance. So there you have it. You've learned how to remove the MailerLite logo. This simple yet effective change can significantly enhance your branding and give your emails and pages a more professional look. Remember, maintaining a clean and polished appearance in your correspondence can make a big difference in how your audience perceives you. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about using MailerLite or similar tools, feel free to drop a comment below. I love hearing from you, and I'm more than happy to help out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.